Hey guys, this is my bike check for my 2010 Diamondback Joker. I'm going to be showing you some parts I've got off Dance Comp, and they are Eastern Medusa Light V2 Forged 25 tooth crank wheel, a Sputnik whip chain in black, an Alienation LE pivotal seat in Frisco blue, a stolen Thermalite stump pivotal seat post in black. I got a nitrous single shot cassette wheel, and everything else is pretty much stock front rim, stock treads on each tire, crappy little bar ends I got from my cousin, stock handlebars, stock forks, no front brakes as you can see, stock grips, stock crank arms, and pedals. And also I have the back brake lever that runs down to nothing because the crank wheel was so small that the chain was rubbing on top of the brake, so we had to cut that side down and make sure chain wouldn't rub on it. And that's pretty much my 2010 Diamondback Joker.